What's going on, guys? Y'all already know who it is. Man, it's your boy, Stunner Breezy, coming to you live with another live video, baby, on a Thursday, the last day of 2020. Happy New Year's Eve, man. What y'all doing for the new year tonight, man? Invite your boy somewhere. What we gonna turn up at? I let your boy, man. But anyway, let's get to this money. Cause boy, I'm trying to tell you, boy, I ain't made this much money this short amount of time in a long time. I'm talking about, it been what, 48 hours? This thing is still paying 8,000%. This is crazy. Bro, I don't know what they do. I don't know the deals. I don't know nobody. All I know, I took a chance. A lot of people took a chance and the money is rolling in. You understand what I'm saying? I don't know about all the other stuff. I'm talking about Gfarm, baby. Gfarm. Now look, some people still confused on how to do it. We've been doing farming for I know 8 years. I'm kidding, I'm kidding, I'm kidding. It seems like it, man, but come on, bruh. It's very simple. Look at the site. It's very simple. They giving away money, bruh. Now look, it's risky. Like I said, I don't know. The site plain, but it works. And they might be gone tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? Just like Tron or anything else. You get in late, you get what you get. I was the first person to do a video on this thing. Nobody knew, even heard of it. And look at the money it's printing out. It's still paying 8,000% for pool one, 600% for pool two. Now, the reason pool two pays less is because it's easier. Now, if you don't know how to farm, this is the easiest thing you can do. Just come right here and click stake. And you just put in, you know what I'm saying, how much you want to stake. You want to stake 5 ETH? You put in 5 ETH. And you confirm. You want to put in 1 ETH and just let it ride? Put in 1 ETH and just let it ride. You want to ball out? Put in 50 ETH. Oh, there go my keys. Keys to the Lambo now. Put it and let it ride. However you want to do it. You know what I'm saying? So that's the easiest way to do it. That's why it's the lowest. There's no risk. It's the lowest uh, risk factor. A lot of people are doing it because it's easier. You know what I'm saying? Now, if you want to make this 8,000%, all you got to do is come right here to get liquidity pool tokens. It's very simple. Very, very, very simple. If my computer hurry up with this software running. But it's very easy. Come on with your little disclaimer. Oh, good thing I got no disclaimer. Well, this is after you get the token, but you buy the coin first, right here. You just buy the coin. You know that. You got to buy the coin to provide liquidity. So you just come on Gfarm, buy, B-U-I, and click buy. It's going to take you to the same screen. You just buy your Gfarm. Let's say, for instance, you bought 25, right? Then you come into the liquidity, and you got 25. Hit max, because you want to put all your Gfarm, not all your ETH. You want to put all your Gfarm. So you hit max, and say, okay, I got 25, going to give me 0.1 ETH. Just try it out. You hit supply. You let ETH do its thing, and you're going to have however many, pool tokens. Let's say you get 25 pool tokens out of that, right? You come back to the site, and you hit stake. Once you hit stake, now it ain't going to show up right here. You're going to see zeros. You got to hit stake. Well, you're going to say approve, before all this. Hit approve, let it do its thing, and then hit stake. Your 25 going to show up right here. You see that? Bam. Then you put it in right here, 25. And hit confirm. Then it's going to be right here. See what's at 25? Boom. You ain't like playing. Just that simple. Then you're going to start earning free Gfarm. Now, at first, I was getting so many, that number wasn't even mattering. Like, I was just claiming. Because I got in when it was 22,000%. It was so funny. It was so funny, man. I got in at 22,000%. And I was debating. I was like, man, should I do a video on this? These folks, I ain't got time for no crybabies. It's gonna end one day. Some people come in late and they're gonna look, man. I ain't your babysitter. Don't do it if you're gonna be crying. Just the same risk as you're gonna make a lot of money. It's the same risk as you're gonna lose it all. So if you're a crybaby, this ain't going over the wires or something, and be safe. Go on over there. You know what I'm saying? So it's still pay. I just can't believe. I don't know what these folks do. Look at that TVL. Remember when my first video TVL was like 700,000. It was like 700,000. Now look at the TVL. 2.6 million locked total value locked on the platform. So a lot of people taking advantage of it, man. I just can't get over that number. Let me show you. And then when you harvest, it'll go to the thing with let's see. That's liquidity. Right here. I got a screenshot somewhere. I took a screenshot of my last. I just took a withdrawal this morning. I had 680. Now I think the price went down a little bit, but let me show you what 680 gets you. Now I got almost 5 ETH because I think the price pumped to like $8. I think it's like $5 now. But this is crazy, man. This is free. Free. Now, you know, I've been in from the beginning, so I've been doing it. You know how much ETH I done got out. I don't know how many X. I done X'd. You know what I'm saying? Early bird get the worm, man. This thing is paying out the Wisniewski. I can't find my screenshot. So I was like, man, this is crazy. Things should be paying like that. But it is, bro. But it is. It's still paying 8,000%. Now, you got some people got 100 pool tokens, 200 pool tokens. You know what I'm saying? I just got 25 and this thing paying me like this. I'm like, good God. But hey, man, shout out to these people, man. Shout out to these people, man. Oh, speaking of Wise, let's see what the price of Wise is right now. Where you at, Wise? Where you at? Oh, there you go. 18 cents. So I did a good thing. I sold mine. Well, I ain't sell all of it. I sold most of it. I sold mine like 22. So I started selling when it got 25. Like, man, it might go up, man. They saying, what? They say, oh, Peter said that thing on about 100x. Well, let me. No, bro. I've been in crypto too long. my crypto senses just won't let me hold that thing like that. I ain't got time for no all that X's 8 months from now, man. I'm staking too. Let me see. Hey, man, it is what it is. I staked a little bit. What is that? I staked a little bit, 18,000. That's a little. I ain't finna bet. That's too much. With in a bull market, man, you don't want to hold your money up. That was the problem with Wise in the beginning. For a whole month, you had all that ETH pent up when you could have been making all kinds of gains doing other stuff. All kinds. You feel what I'm saying? That's just real facts, man. Not even just with ETH. You could take that ETH and twist it to Tron on Simple Swap. Send it to your Tron wallet. But you could think about all the ETH you could have put into Flow. Think about if you put 30 ETH in this thing. You could have put that in the Flow, bro. That's depressing. But anyway, man, like I said, I sold a lot of mine. I'm just in it. The little one stake. I ain't gonna stake no more. I ain't gonna play around with it. You know what I'm saying? Because the same people that's telling you to stake for 5 years and all that, they selling. You know, and that's the good thing about a lot of ETH in the contract. You can tell because it takes a lot to move the price. So the price moving down from 25 to 18, that's a lot of selling, bro. It ain't like a regular coin where it's got 100,000 liquidity and don't take with one move. That's a lot of selling, bro. Like seriously, that's fact. That's a lot of selling, bro. So, because even one person dumping, one person can't dump it. Like even though I know in the beginning, I think somebody dumped what 500 ETH worth when it launched. I wonder who you think that was. What the hell? 500 ETH worth? Yeah, slick mouth Peter. But I ain't gonna get into that, man. I'm on it, man. We'll see how it turn out, bro. Here what it is. Quick little look at DeFi bids, man. You know what I'm saying? Still going, still doing their thing. Matter of fact, the bid token is up a little bit. It done double. It was at 3. I think it's up to 7, 8, 7, something like that. So the bid token done shot up. Should have got me some at 3, but you never can tell. Well, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, they got the chain link. They got to tell it changes. it'll be looking like this, and all of a sudden it'll be gone. You know what I'm saying? It'll be looking like this, like, oh man, I got 100 bills, let me gone. So it's still going, man. Check it out. That's what's happening. You know what I'm saying? Got a lot of other stuff to get to, man. But you know, I don't like these long videos, man. I want to holler at you about this Gfarm, bro. Boy, this thing still, but see, just what is going on. It was at 83, now it's at 8,000. So I don't know. You know, I'm in a conundrum because I can unstake this and sell what I got and just top it off with a buku. I have a buku. You know what I'm saying? Just made my money, got out in 48 hours. All that Ethereum out of my, but I can just let it ride. I don't know how long it's gonna last. It can be gone by tomorrow. It be gone by later on today. But you know what I'm saying? So I don't know. I'm just gonna let it ride. You know what I'm saying? I said it's gonna get like 500-600 and get my little eat. But anyway, man, that's the video. Like the video, man. If you like the video, comment, subscribe. Holla back at your boy. Invite me to your New Year's Eve.